Hey guys, welcome back to Up Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, or we discuss with you, Tgideas Rosemary Hair Growth Shampoo review. So you might be wondering, what is Tgideas Rosemary Hair Growth Shampoo here that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Tgideas Rosemary Hair Growth Shampoo is a rosemary-based shampoo designed to cleanse the scalp with while helping support stronger, healthier looking hair. Now, according to the official website here, it contains super critical CO2 rosemary extract, hydrolyzed keratin, biotin, zinc, PCA, ingredients that are included to help strengthen hair, reduce breakage, control excess oil, and maintain a healthier scalp. Now, the formula is also sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, and cruelty-free, making it suitable for most hair types, including color-treated hair. Now, using the shampoo is quite simple, so you just need to wet your hair thoroughly, apply a generous amount to your scalp, and massage it for about 2 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Now, the manufacturer recommended using it 3 to 4 times a week as part of your regular hair care routine. You can follow it with your preferred conditioner if needed. Now, in terms of pricing here, the official website lists rosemary shampoo starting at $23.90, while the rosemary and zinc PCA strengthening shampoo starts at $19.90. So this depends on what you are or where you are currently buying it, but the options here may be different. So bundle options are also available, such as the Batana oil and rosemary shampoo duo, starting at $39.90. The company also offers 90-day money-back guarantee. Now that's essentially how the product works. Now it's a shampoo formulated to clean the scalp while delivering rosemary extract, keratin, biotin, and zinc PCA during each wash to support healthier looking hair, scalp, as part of regular hair care routine. Now, since this is a health and personal care product, it is highly recommended to consult a doctor or dermatologist if you're experiencing significant hair loss or underlying scalp condition before starting any new hair growth treatment or supplement. But that's about it. So for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.